Turn it up. So one of the benefits of our Romano Real Estate Center is that the location of it. So it's not technically in Yellowstone, but it is in Yellowstone. It's in West Yellowstone, which is only about a 4 mile drive from Yellowstone, so which gives opportunities of yes it being in Yellowstone, but it's not as in a populated place in a smaller city.
So for the things that you don't really care about, but the things that we need to get a good grade.
So the center will be in a town, like how I mentioned earlier, with roads. Therefore, within these roads, it makes it only a 4 mile distance to Yellowstone. So that's the whole West Yellowstone thing. It's not in Yellowstone, but technically it is due to the fact that it's in West Yellowstone. So that's a really good key point to this. So people won't have to deal with the traffic of it being such a tourist attraction that Yellowstone is.
So the location of the research center is far enough from any other tourist attraction because it will have less competition with other people and will drive more people to come see the research center for themselves.
This also creates less of a competition field for the research center, and so we can focus more on the science aspect. And then, so Kate, would you like to show them the visual we made? So the location of the research center is going to be on a flat part. These are two calderas we drew. The point is to avoid calderas because it's not a good place to put a research center. We want it on a flat area, so we chose a place that's perfect for the calderas. Just a brief sketch of what it's going to look like.
So the location of the research center is a very good happy medium because it is far enough to where it won't be in any way near a natural disaster, but it is also close enough to read any hints or signs of a natural disaster coming.
So to elaborate what Caden was saying, that the location of the center is close to the blast zone, so which is very good for science reasons because they can drive to the blast zone or to see if there's anything happening that they need to record. So say if there's a major natural disaster happening, they can easily leave the center, drive to the blast zone to record what's happening.
The benefit of having our research station on the west side is because there's no seismic station near it, and it helps pinpoint all the disasters because the GPS station can get in the way.
And so to add on to the location part of things, that West Yellowstone's in Montana, so it's clear of all fault lines. So what this means is that we don't have to worry about disasters happening because we're away from the fault lines.
West Yellowstone is close, but not too close to any blast zones, so it will be able to detect any earthquake warnings. West Yellowstone isn't near any gas eruption sites either, and it is only 1 mile away from the Yellowstone geysers, so it is very quick.
It's a very quick access to a tourist attraction. And so another concern you might have is that no, it's not near a GPS station. The nearest one is called Riverside Station, and it's over a 30-minute drive away. So one flaw that we have came to is that we are not near a common ground deformation, but we are near a blast zone, which can make up for it because blast zones also contain very good information that could accommodate for us not being near a ground deformation.
Thank you for your time, and please take this persuasion candy so you can vote Romano Real Estate for the next research center in West Yellowstone.